Understanding Organic Fertilizers, a guide to natural plant nutrition. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video on organic fertilizers. Today, we're going to explore what organic fertilizers are, why they're important, and how they differ from synthetic options. If you're looking to enhance your garden in a more natural way or simply curious about sustainable farming practices, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of organic fertilizers and discover how they can benefit our environment and our food. Organic fertilizers are natural substances used to enrich soil and provide nutrients for plant growth. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which are chemically manufactured, organic fertilizers come from natural sources such as plants, animal waste, and minerals. Examples include compost, manure, bone meal, and seaweed. These fertilizers release nutrients slowly into the soil, making them available to plants over time. This slow release helps to promote healthy soil structure and increase microbial activity, both of which are crucial for sustainable agriculture. The use of organic fertilizers offers numerous benefits, not just for plants but for the ecosystem as a whole. Here are some key advantages. Environmental safety. Organic fertilizers are biodegradable and do not contain harmful chemicals that could leach into water supplies or harm beneficial soil organisms. Soil health. They improve soil structure, enhancing its ability to hold water and nutrients, which reduces erosion and water runoff. Sustainable practices. Using organic fertilizers supports sustainable farming practices, reducing dependence on non-renewable resources. Plant health. Plants fed with organic matter are often more resilient to pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Incorporating organic fertilizers into your gardening or farming practice is straightforward. Here are some tips. 1. Know your soil. Test your soil to understand its nutrient needs. This helps in choosing the right type of organic fertilizer. 2. Application methods. You can apply organic fertilizers by spreading them on the soil surface, mixing them into the soil, or using them as a liquid feed. 3. Timing. The best time to apply organic fertilizers is during the planting season or as a top dressing during the growing season. 4. Quantity. Follow guidelines on the amount to use, as over-application can be just as harmful as under-application. We hope this video has shed some light on organic fertilizers and their benefits. By choosing organic, you're not only nurturing your plants but also contributing to a healthier planet. Remember, every small step towards sustainable practices makes a big difference. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!